Hi there. We are thrilled to introduce to you the latest in the Tilt Hydrometer lineup, the Tilt Pico. You've been asking for it, and now it's here. The Tilt Pico turns your Tilt Hydrometer into a Wi-Fi enabled sensor. Just mount the Pico near your fermentation vessel, ideally close to a power outlet, and it connects to your home network. With the Pico in place, your tilt gravity and temperature readings are sent over Wi-Fi without needing your phone nearby. You can log data remotely, so even when you're away, you can check on your fermenter. The Pico works with multiple tilt hydrometers at once, even if they're the same color. And in case your brewing space doesn't have Wi-Fi at all times, the Pico can buffer up to 2 months of data locally for up to 2 tilts at once. Setup is simple. Just plug your Pico into a USB wall charger with the USB cable that is included. No batteries are required. One of the best parts, you can combine the Tilt and Pico to log your fermentation data into platforms such as Google Sheets, Brewfather, or brewstat.us. Once it's set up, the Pico and Tilt handle the cloud logging for you. The Tilt Pico is available at tilthydrometer.com. If you have any questions, email us at support@baronbrew.com. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.